What's up, guys? Colin here. Welcome back to CWS Outdoors. Today, just a little tip. I want to fix my rod guide on my spinning reel. The insert chipped on it, and every time I cast out, it was fraying my line. So I looked at it, and yeah, sure enough, it was chipped. So just want to repair it, and thought I'd bring you guys along. I've never done it before, so we're gonna try it for the first time. So this morning I went and got my oil changed and went over to Walmart and was just looking around, and I found this Ozark Trail repair kit. So I figured I'd just try it out and see if one of these will fit my guides to my rod. So I got the guide, rod guides, and just got a little X-Acto knife and knife. We're gonna try to, can't heat that up and take that epoxy or whatever's holding that up. I'll show you my rod. Yeah, I got my fishing rod. So this is my Shimano Sellus casting, or spinning, sorry. 7-1 extra fast. So we're gonna see if we can't fix this. I don't know if you guys can see it or not with the guide. See, it probably won't zoom in on it. So we're gonna see if we can't fix that. So come along. Also, I have the lighter. Try to warm it up. See if we can't take it off. Warm it up some. See if we can't take some of that off. Yeah, it's coming right off. Yeah, Bubba. Be careful when you're using knives. I don't know how many times I've cut myself.
Did you cut yourself?
I've cut myself before, bud.
No, cut you. It hurts.
Yeah, it hurts.
Yeah. Don't get hurt.
Yeah. I can see the end of it, but like, see if we can't get it off. Feels like it's wanting to come off. Probably doing this the whole wrong way, but you improvise, and yep, it started to burn through the fiberglass, so it looks like I'm gonna have to chop it off and just replace it. So I don't think that's gonna work. So I will be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut it off. Alright, tips off. Let's see if we can get one of these tips from the repair kit. See if we can't get one of these to fit.
Mama fit? Mama fit?
Clean it up a little bit. but I needed some sandpaper. If I had some sandpaper, I can really clean it up, but work with what we got. So I'm just heating up the tip and trying to smooth it out some. I think that guy right there is gonna be our best bet. Smallest one, I believe. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some pliers. Okay, I went and got some pliers, see if I can't clean this tip up a little better. I haven't been able to use this rod this year because I haven't got a kit to repair it. Finally got one. So now I'm gonna try to repair it. See if we can't get this on. Not the smallest one, but I don't think it's gonna fit. That one seems like it's a little too big. Try to trim it down some. That's why I wish I had sandpaper. I'm just going around the ends of it and trying to trim it up so I can make that guide fit.
I think we're almost there.
Almost. All right, there we go. All right, so that's done. Pretty good. So now the kit came with the, it's like little glue. Looks just like glue from a glue gun. I think we'll just heat some of this up and we'll put it around the tip of the rod. So I'm just going around, put some of that glue around the tip. I can slide that on. Okay, take our guide. Slider on there. Maybe. Okay, there we go. And I'll just get it straight. Straight as we can. Look down our guides and see how straight it is. It's pretty straight to me. That should work pretty good. And I believe we got a new guide on, guys. So I'll just take it and clean that up a little bit and call her good. And I believe we got a fixed guide. Clean her up a little bit. And there we go. We got a new guide on. Ready to rock and roll. Get to use my Shimano Sellus again. So there she goes. We're done. Like I said, 7'1", probably 7 foot now. But we're ready to rock and roll. Tomorrow, me and Mike are going back out to the ponds, going back after that 5-pounder. So look out for that video. But like again, I just wanted to share with you guys a little repair I do on my rods. Not too difficult, pretty easy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do whichever you guys need to do, and we will see you next time. Thank you.